Double-Hung Windows Scottsdale, Arizona, offers a range of benefits for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Scottsdale residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our window installation experts provide comprehensive services, ensuring each double-hung window is installed with precision and care. Window replacement in Scottsdale is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our custom window solutions cater to the unique needs of each client, offering a variety of window frame options and styles. Whether you need window glass replacement or window hardware upgrades, our team is equipped to handle all aspects of window repair services. Energy-efficient double-hung windows in Scottsdale are designed to provide superior insulation and noise reduction. These windows are perfect for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency while also enhancing its curb appeal. Our window insulation Scottsdale services ensure that your windows are properly sealed and weatherproofed, providing long-lasting protection against the elements. Custom double-hung windows Scottsdale offer a personalized touch to any home. With a wide selection of double-hung window styles, homeowners can choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Our Scottsdale window design consultation services help clients select the ideal window style and frame options to match their aesthetic preferences. Window maintenance in Scottsdale is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular window cleaning, Scottsdale services, along with window sealing services, help maintain the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our residential window services include comprehensive maintenance plans to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Double-hung window repair in Scottsdale is a specialized service that addresses common issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Our Scottsdale window hardware upgrades and window glass replacement services ensure that your windows are restored to their original condition. We also offer window safety features to enhance the security of your home. Window measurement services in Scottsdale are crucial for ensuring a perfect fit during installation. Our double-hung window measurement Scottsdale services provide accurate dimensions, allowing for seamless installation and optimal performance. With precise measurements, our window installation experts guarantee a flawless fit for every window. Scottsdale Window UV protection services are designed to shield your home from harmful ultraviolet rays. Our window UV protection solutions help preserve your interior furnishings and reduce glare, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Combined with window noise reduction Scottsdale services, our windows offer a peaceful and protected living environment. Double-hung windows Scottsdale is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window weatherproofing services include sealing and insulation to prevent drafts and moisture intrusion. With our Scottsdale window durability options, homeowners can enjoy long-lasting protection and peace of mind. Window cost estimates in Scottsdale provide homeowners with a clear understanding of the investment required for window replacement or installation. Our double-hung window cost estimates Scottsdale services offer transparent pricing and detailed breakdowns of all associated costs. With our competitive pricing, homeowners can make informed decisions about their window projects.